with light and truth to guide us. Thy faith and hope beside us. We'll brave the world outside these walls to live ever free. Our Busoga home, our mother.
If you've never been to Busoga College Mwiri, this video is for you. If you've heard about Busoga College Mwiri but you have never actually visited, welcome to this video. I'm on the highway to Iganga, Malaba, up to Kenya, and this is the major signpost of Busoga College Mwiri, PO Box 20, Jinja. Today our visit is to the school. We want to visit that school which has been around since 1911. Busoga College Mwiri was started in 1911. And it has trained ministers, different professionals. Even the president came from Busoga College Mwiri, Dr. Apollo Milton Obote. We have Ruhakana Rugunda, Chive Jinja, and many others over the years. So the school has survived for over 120 years. Actually, Busoga College Mwiri is older than Makerere University. Makerere University was started in 1922, whereas Mwiri started in 1911. So come with me if you're new to my channel. My name is Michael George. Visit my YouTube channel, you'll be able to travel with me. This is an adventure video to showcase the things in Jinja, the beauty of Mwiri. You'll be able to see the landscapes, the aerial view of the lake, the greater side of the other side of Kakira Sugar Works. There's an airstrip on the other side of the hill, and the road we are walking here is a 5-kilometer stretch from the main road as you've seen, and we are walking together for you to walk with me and see the changes in the landscape up to the hill where the school is found. Busoga College Mwiri is a school of legends. It's actually called the school. So it would be the equivalent of King's College Budo. At the time when they fought King's College Budo, almost around the same time, Nadiope, the Prime Minister of Busoga Kingdom, fought hard to see that even Busoga Kingdom could have a similar school, an equivalent where sons of chiefs, sons of prominent men and women would not have to travel to Buganda to seek knowledge and education. Nadiope, a brewer who sought the white man, who looked for a particular location, they found Mwiri Hill. So we are taking our journey today, and we are going to walk and then see the beauty of this other side of Jinja. If you have not visited Mwiri or never heard about Mwiri, this is your video. On the other side, that is Wairaka College. It was a school it was a school established by Madivani in support to the Busoga Kingdom as well. That's the school over there if you cross the road to that other side. Then this one here is the Mwiri Primary School. So this is the primary school of the college school that we are going to visit. We are going to walk straight this side and continue our journey, and then have a chance to see how the sceneries are changing. tema mutimulanga mudode tema galisangeye po balisangeye weyenge